machines. So, you know, I mean, I'm not going to pass up being able to use some of my skills and some of my old contacts and things, and so I go back to a lot of the people that helped us out in the air conditioning industry, and was able to start getting, you know, parts manufactured, like the evaporator coil and the condenser coil and things like that. And what I'm doing here is I'm stripping back the hot lead wire for the door, for the lights, for the coin mechanism. But a lot of the contacts that we had, you know, were big industrial people, and so we were able to get them to manufacture some parts for us, and started to build and become familiar with these antique machines. So it became very helpful for us to remain in business, and for you to have someone who could still take care of and rebuild and rework these machines for you. Looks like somebody's done a little engineering on their own, you know. Electrical tape's always a good thing, right? But I guess you use what you've got available, I reckon. So I've already identified this hot lead that goes to the door. And what we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead and fire everything up so that you can see what it is that I do and what you expect from one of our compressor units for your antique coke machine. I need to strip that back a little farther. So yeah, I feel pretty honored. You know, we get calls literally from all over the world, and people here locally in the Houston area entrust me with their heirlooms, you know, and getting these back up and running for them. So we're going to finish connecting the lights for the door and the coin mechanism and everything else that's associated with this power lead. So, get everything, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of tuck everything away. I'm not going to leave you with the boring stuff on how, you know, to tidy everything up with, you know, zip ties and things like that. You guys can figure out how to do that on your own. But like I always tell my customers, I mean, it's not rocket science. Not rocket science. You just have to be able to know the difference between a screwdriver and a wrench, and I don't know, maybe a pair of wire strippers and some snips and things like that. Okay, so we plug it in, the upper evaporator assembly, the fan motor will come on. It runs 24/7. The lower compressor and condenser unit is operated by the thermostat, one being the lowest setting, which would probably put it in at about Oh, it varies, but probably somewhere in the range of about 40 degrees, 42 degrees. All the way to 9, that's break every bottle in your machine, freezing up the entire evaporator assembly, you calling me, trying to figure out what's going on. So every time that we do one and we send it off, I always recommend setting it on the number 1 setting, okay? Okay, so we fired it up. You can hear it running. We're going to turn the thermostat on. Watching the lower unit. Lower unit comes on. Compressor is functioning. Now we will begin to chill. What you're looking for is here on the cap tube assembly. The cap tube runs up here from the lower unit down here at the dryer. Runs up here, and then you can see that it begins to frost up as we speak. So nice and cool. We're going to button this thing up, and we're going to call for the customer to come pick it up for tomorrow. So again, sorry for the amateurish video, but I hope it was informative. And if you need anything, give me a shout. Eric, Global Compressors, 936-520-8860. Thanks. Man, that thing's frosting up. It is cold, baby. Y'all take care. See ya.